Hey everyone, Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we have this beautiful matte blue Lenovo Legion 5. Let's unbox it. Alright, so the box is not as gigantic as the Strix G15 that I have earlier. I'm guessing because they did not include any freebies, like a bag or a mouse for you. Let me get my knife real quick here. Hold on. Now, how do I open this thing? It doesn't seem to... there's a pull tab here, and yeah, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna fast forward so that I don't bore you guys on the unnecessary stuff. If you guys want to see the whole unboxing video, ASMR edition, I'll put a link in the description box below. First up in the box, we have this 300 watt power brick. It's a huge power brick, by the way, and a heavy one, if you couldn't see it from the video, so take note if you want something mobile. What we have next is your starter manual. Shows you where you should charge your computer, but I guess you know how to check it out yourself, so it's not important. And also an instruction manual. Let's toss that aside and get rid of this foam thing. First impression, the laptop has a very nice minimalistic look to it. My camera is in a bad mood today, so it's not focusing well. So the Legion logo has this rainbow shimmer thing under certain lighting. Looks pretty neat. Over on the left side we have a USB-C port and a headphone jack. Over on the right side we have a full-size USB port, a power LED, and a camera privacy button. Over at the back we have your AC adapter, 3 full-size USB port, 1 HDMI port, a USB-C port, and an Ethernet LAN. Underneath the laptop we have mostly vents to cool this baby down. Okay, first look. I really think this is a beautiful laptop. This matte blue finish especially. Lenovo calls it the Phantom Blue, and I like how minimal it is. They only have this Legion logo on the side. So for all those minimalist people, this is the gaming laptop that you're looking for. Next thing, build quality. The lid is made up of aluminum, and it actually flexes a little bit if you wiggle it a little bit. But overall, the material and the finish feels awesome. Another thing that I really don't like is that they actually provided a huge ass power brick, which you don't really need it. So what are the specs on this laptop is Ryzen 7 5800H and a 3060 laptop GPU. So you don't really need a 300 watt to power this bad boy. I don't know, my Strix G15 comes with a 3070 and I just need 230 watts. So Lenovo, maybe you could give us something smaller so we don't have to carry around such big and heavy power brick. touchpad could be a tad bigger, but you know, them squeezing in a full-size keyboard could possibly be the problem, that you know, they couldn't squeeze in additional surface area for the touchpad. All in all, this is a good laptop for the money. You can see the amount of good reviews from YouTube, the praises and all. So if you're looking to get one, this should be on your list. So that's about it on today's unboxing. Feel free to leave any comments or any questions you have down below, and I will see you in the next one.